Hey everyone, Techno Manager here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix app not working after iPhone update. You're going to follow these steps to go ahead and fix it. Very first thing is if you have the app open, you're going to swipe up and see which one the app is open. If the app is open, you simply just swipe up to close it and then go ahead and reopen that same app. It might be a quick fix as that. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is go ahead and update the app, because if you updated the phone, most likely the app also need to be updated to be compatible. So go to the App Store and then tap on your profile here and look for updates for all the apps you have. So if you have an app like Messenger, for instance, let's say it's not working, I'm going to go ahead and update to the latest version. That way it's also updated to your phone's compatible version with the iOS update you may have done. Now, after you updated the phone, the next thing you want to go ahead and just simply go ahead and close out the app one more time if it's open like this, whatever the app is. And then you're going to go ahead and restart your phone. You can do it from the top here, on the power icon here, turn it off, and then turn it back on by using the side button, or you can just press and hold the side button until it turns off with the volume up, and the side button just like this, and then slide to power off and then power back on. A simple restart will fix, again, any software related issue. Now, if you're still having an issue, next thing to see if there is another update for your phone. Sometimes you might update it one time. There may be another update you may need to do. So in your setting, go to General, Software Update, and key update until it says your software is up to date to make sure you're on the latest version. Now, if you have done that and you're still having an issue, the next thing you're going to go ahead and check out is in your setting, go to General, and take a look at the date and time. Make sure your date and time is set correctly. Let's say your date and time is set automatically, but it's on the wrong one. You want to turn it off, set it manually, and then turn it back on. Ideally, you want it to be automatic, but sometimes it happens where it's not correct and the app may have issues. Now, if you're still having an issue, the next thing you're going to check out is see if you accidentally had turned on any restrictions. So in your settings, you want to go to screen time, and then specifically content and privacy restriction. If you have this on, you want to just temporarily turn it off and see if you can go ahead and use the app. Now, another thing you want to go ahead and do if you're still having issue is making sure your phone, after you update it, has enough storage for the app to open up correctly. So in your settings, go to General, iPhone storage, and check if you have enough storage available. Let's say you're maxed out, you need to delete some stuff because some apps require a little bit of storage whenever you are opening them up. Now, let's say you're still having the issue. The next thing you're going to do is just simply delete and reinstall that app. So let's say I was having issues with this app. I'll press and hold and then click on remove, delete app, and then click on delete, and then just simply go to the App Store and then search for that same app and then reinstall it from there. So for example, Teams, I had issues, right? I'd go ahead and search and then click on get to reinstall it. Now, after you have done that, it's still not working, you may need to just reset your settings. So in your settings, go to General and then look for down here, Transfer Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and then reset all settings. Enter your phone's passcode and then reset all settings. This will not delete any of your data, but an important step to do if you're still having issues. Now, let's say you did all of this and still not working. It could be that the app currently has an outage. You have to wait for the app to fix it. You can search up the outage by going to any browser and search up whatever app it is. And if there's an outage, for example, Facebook, if I'm having issues with the app, I'll search up outage and take a look if there's outage being reported here. There isn't, so that's good. But if there is, usually you'll just have to wait until it's fixed. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.